The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how the active lane assist works on the 2017 Audi A6. This happens to be the 2.0 turbo version with the driver assistance package. The green logo that you see on the screen means that the adaptive cruise control is on. Towards the top of the screen, you're going to see a yellow icon come up to display that you've turned on the active lane assist. Currently it is green because it is telling you that it is picking up the lanes and the system is active. The button to turn that on and off is on the top left stalk, this button right here. When you toggle that, that comes back on. Now on your center screen, you're going to want to push the menu button, and this will be up on the screen. Using the left scroll wheel, you're going to scroll down to assist and select by pushing in. You now have the driver assist screen up on the screen. With the green icon there, you'll see that the lanes are bold white. They just went away for a second, meaning that it was not picking up the lane. Now if you start to veer to the left or the right, the car will automatically put you in the right direction. So what we're going to do here in just a moment is going to move the steering wheel to the left and the car will auto-correct to the right. So we're moving over to the left. It's detecting that we're moving out of the lane and it just corrected the lane to the right. Now a lot of questions about the system is whether it's going to fight you a little bit if you're actually trying to make a turn. It is important to always use your signals when you're changing lanes, because it will tell the car that you're doing this on purpose. You're not just being careless and not paying attention. And it's also important to use your blinkers so the folks behind you know in which direction that you're going. I'm going to move over to a different lane here, and you're going to see how the adaptive cruise control system works. Now, you just saw pop up there a green vehicle on top of the bottom logo there. That means we are now tracking the vehicle in front of us. I have the speed limit set, and if the car in front of us were to slow down, then the car will automatically slow down. Once that vehicle speeds back up and we can go back to the speed limit that we've set before, the vehicle will automatically do that. This is great for long distance trips, which will help decrease leg fatigue going from the gas to the brakes. The system does have early collision warning as well. There are limitations to the system. You can't just set it at 75 miles per hour and not pay attention to the road. One of those instances would be when you're driving down the road, there is no car in front of you that the vehicle is tracking, and the traffic is at a complete stop. By the time the system picks up a vehicle in front of you, maybe 30, 40 yards away, you're not able to go to a complete stop if you were to slam on the brakes. Using the distance toggle, you're able to change the distance that you want it to keep from the vehicle in front of you. It is relative to the speed that you're going, so the closest distance set will give you a different distance at lower speeds versus higher speeds. As you use this toggle left and right, you'll notice on the assist screen that the vehicles move back and forth. Distance 1 is the closest, distance 4 is the furthest. And there are different modes for which you can use this as well. Dynamic, auto, sport, that will all change the driving characteristics of the vehicle.